I can rise with my heart open. I can breathe and let love near. I don't need to close my spirit. I can soften through the fear. I can meet myself with kindness. I can trust what wants to heal. Every breath brings warmth within me. Every step helps love feel real. I am rising with love I receive. There is tenderness here for me. I am rising with love I can see. Love is moving gently through me. I don't need to chase affection or become who I am not. I can honor my own heart now. I can value what I've got. I can move with more compassion. I can let my spirit shine. Every choice made with more love now brings me closer to what's mine. I am rising with love I receive. There is tenderness here for me. I am rising with love I can see. Love is moving gently through me. I release the fear that made me close my heart. I release the pain that kept my hope apart. I come back to my own center. I let love rise up again.